Are there really amazing benefits to cruising solo? Double occupancy is the standard in the travel industry, or is it? Or better yet, is that changing? Everywhere you look, you see prices for vacations of any kind, and you see the dreaded double occupancy. Flights, hotels, all-inclusive vacation packages, and yes, cruises? For a while, though, you've been able to find a few rare offerings here and there. But there's a change on the horizon. With an overwhelming interest in vacationing solo, the industry has started to take notice. And there are a lot more options for solo cruisers than ever before. Cruising solo is a unique and liberating experience that offers unparalleled freedom and the chance to explore the world on your terms. While the idea of setting sail alone may seem daunting at first, it comes with numerous advantages and opportunities for personal growth. We'll delve into the world of solo cruising, offering 20 valuable tips for solo cruisers, highlighting the pros and cons and pointing out cruise lines that cater exceptionally well to those traveling alone. Here at Cruise's Edge, we tap into our decades of cruise experience and share what we've learned over the years to help improve your cruise vacations. So, first let's cover the advantages of solo cruising. There's 5 points I want to touch on here. 1. Total freedom and flexibility. As a solo cruiser, you're the captain of your own ship. You decide how to spend your time, where to dine, and which activities to participate in, free from the constraints of group decisions. But conversely, some solo travelers may feel overwhelmed by the sheer number of choices and decisions they have to make. It can also be a bit lonely at times. Number 2 is, you'll find opportunities for self-discovery. Solo cruising provides a unique opportunity for self-reflection and self-discovery. You'll have the time and space to reconnect with yourself and your interests. While some may relish this introspective time, others might find it lonely or challenging to be away from familiar social circles. Number 3 is meeting new people. Cruises are renowned for their social atmosphere, making it easy to strike up conversations and make new friends. Solo travelers often find it simpler to mingle with fellow passengers. But while making friends is a perk, there's no guarantee that you'll find like-minded travelers, and some solo cruisers may prefer solitude. Number 4, no compromises. On the good side, your cruise experience is entirely tailored to your preferences. You won't have to compromise on activities, excursions, or dining choices. But the absence of a travel companion means you may miss out on shared experiences or memorable moments with loved ones. Number 5, cost savings on solo cabins. One of the good things is that some cruise lines offer solo cabins that are more affordable than traditional cabins for one person, helping to reduce the cost of solo travel. The problem, though, is that solo cabins can be limited in availability and may sell out quickly. They are often smaller than standard cabins. We'll get into that coming up. Choosing the right cruise line for solo travel is important. You need to research cruise lines that cater to solo travelers. Some offer solo cabins and tailored activities for solo cruisers. And we'll cover some of the best options for solo cruisers and give you a list of the best cruise lines as well as what they have to offer. Stay tuned, that's coming up later in the video. Keep an eye out for cruise deals that waive or reduce single supplements, making solo cruising more budget-friendly. Consider booking a cruise with solo staterooms designed specifically for solo travelers. These cabins are often more budget-friendly. You'll want to participate in solo traveler meetups and events organized by the cruise line. It's an excellent way to meet fellow solo cruisers. It's best to opt for cruise lines with open seating dining options, allowing you to dine when and with whom you please. Don't forget to treat yourself to specialty dining experiences. Solo cruisers can often secure reservations at fine dining restaurants without much hassle. On most of these ships, you'll be able to join group shore excursions to meet fellow travelers and explore destinations with company. And some cruise lines have dedicated lounges or social areas for solo travelers to meet and mingle. Some cruise lines offer perks for solo travelers, such as welcome receptions, hosted cocktail parties, and exclusive activities. Don't be afraid to strike up conversations with fellow cruisers. You never know who you might meet. Solo cruising offers the luxury of solitude as well. So take advantage of this time to relax, read, or simply enjoy the view. So let's cover some other cruise lines most commonly known for providing the best options for solo cruisers. First up, Norwegian Cruise Line is renowned for its solo traveler-friendly approach, with a variety of solo cabins and a vibrant solo traveler lounge. During Norwegian sailings, there are abundant opportunities for passengers to connect with one another. Many of our sailings include designated meetups for solo travelers, providing a chance for those cruising alone to mingle. Their onboard cruise staff often organizes ship-wide bar crawls, and every evening you can join the lively Friends of Dorothy happy hour. Norwegian Cruise Line takes pride in being the first to create staterooms and communal areas tailored specifically for solo cruisers. Their studio rooms are perfectly designed for single travelers, and the Studio Lounge is an excellent place to socialize with fellow solo cruisers. There are no limitations to the stateroom you can choose and reserve. Typically, you'll be charged twice the cruise fare, but you'll only pay taxes and stateroom gratuities for one person. Cruising solo with Norwegian offers more than just a comfortable cabin. In fact, Norwegian Cruise Line has consistently earned the title of Best Cruise Line for Solo Travelers in Porthole Cruise Magazine's reader surveys. For the first time, Norwegian is introducing 3 new solo stateroom categories: Solo Inside, Solo Ocean View, and Solo Balcony, available for sailings starting on January 2nd, 2024. With solo stateroom options expanding from 9 ships to the entire 19-ship fleet, solo travelers now have even more opportunities to explore dream destinations like Asia, Africa, Australia, and New Zealand on vessels that historically did not offer this unique option. In addition to the stylish studio staterooms, sailing solo with Norwegian Cruise Line also grants you exclusive key card access to the Studio Lounge. Here, you can enjoy complimentary beer and wine throughout the day, relax with a book, watch a large-screen TV, or simply unwind with your fellow studio guests over a drink. Room service is also available from the Studio Lounge. If you're eager to socialize with other solo travelers, Norwegian Cruise Line organizes meetup events for solo cruisers. Some ships even host pub crawls, and the daily Friends of Dorothy happy hour is a great place to connect. Whether you prefer sipping umbrella drinks poolside, chilling at the ice bar, or participating in a margarita tasting class, there are plenty of opportunities to enjoy your time. You'll have ample chances to pamper yourself at the spa and indulge in Broadway-style entertainment in the evenings. Shore excursions and onboard activities like ropes courses and climbing walls are also excellent ways to meet fellow cruisers. But remember, while the solo cabins are budget-friendly, they tend to sell out quickly. Next up, Royal Caribbean offers solo cabins and encourages solo travelers to connect through organized events and activities. In response to this emerging travel trend and the preferences of such travelers, Royal Caribbean has incorporated studio staterooms into its latest vessels. These snug accommodations offer 119 square feet of space and eliminate the need for a single supplement fee. In certain staterooms, guests even enjoy the added luxury of a private balcony, providing extra room and breathtaking views of the ocean and exotic destinations. And on the Anthem of the Seas, they now offer what they call a super studio. A small but cozy space is how they describe it. With Royal Caribbean, the availability of solo cabins can be limited, especially on older ships. Question is, have you all ever taken a solo cruise before? And if so, what was your experience like? Please let us know in the comments section below. We'd love to hear from you, and your insights can be beneficial to others as well. Third, Cunard Line is known for its elegant cruise experiences and has a dedicated single stateroom category. Cunard offers a range of complimentary activities to savor throughout your voyage, such as coffee mornings and exclusive drinks receptions tailored for solo travelers. Dining at a communal table with fellow cruise guests is available, and you have the flexibility to dine alone if that's your preference. On days when the ship is in port, you'll have the freedom to explore independently, with other solo cruisers or as part of an organized shore experience with a small group of other passengers. According to Cunard, you can enjoy the convenience of 24-hour room service, complimentary Penhaligon's toiletries, and a bottle of sparkling wine during your stay on board Queen Mary II, Queen Victoria, or Queen Elizabeth. When it comes to making these majestic ships your home away from home, they offer generously appointed single staterooms that are sure to delight you, with a host of luxurious amenities enhancing your seafaring experience. Please be aware, though, that when booking your voyage on cunard.com, single fares will become visible only after selecting your stateroom grade, either Britannia Inside or Britannia Ocean View, and specifying the number of guests sailing. You also have the flexibility to reserve a Britannia double stateroom for a single supplement if you desire a bit more room. A couple things to remember are solo cabins may be limited, and Cunard cruises can be on the more expensive side. Let's look at Holland America's ships, the Koningsdam and Nieuw Statendam. They are set to introduce Holland America Line's very first staterooms designed specifically for families, alongside single staterooms within their guest accommodations, with a total capacity of 2,650 guests. Moreover, a diverse selection of well-known stateroom categories such as Neptune, Signature, and Vista Suites will be on offer, available in a broader range of sizes and various configurations. Among these accommodations are 12 single ocean view cabins, ranging from 127 to 172 square feet in size, and situated on multiple decks in various locations, including forward, midship, and aft positions. Only a limited number of solo cabins are available at this time, but they are moving in the right direction. P&O Cruises has a variety of solo cabins and hosts solo traveler meetups and activities, but we could only find limited information about their actual offerings. It doesn't seem to be a very big focus for them. Also, as a side note, solo cabins may have limited availability during peak travel times. And finally, Fred Olsen offers solo traveler cruises designed specifically for those traveling alone, providing a welcoming and inclusive atmosphere. Fred Olsen's fleet of compact vessels offers a diverse range of accommodation options for solo cruisers. Among these choices, you'll find the luxurious single balcony suites, which provide the most generous space for an unparalleled cruise experience. The single ocean view cabins are equipped with windows that flood the cabins with natural light and offer delightful sea vistas. Additionally, there's the snug option of the single interior cabins. Each single cabin or suite is thoughtfully furnished with all the necessary amenities to meet the needs of solo cruise guests. This ensures that your stay on board is a tranquil, comfortable, and spacious experience, regardless of the type of accommodation you select. The downside is that the line has a limited number of solo cabins. In our review on this topic, NCL definitely is leading the way into making solo travel a more viable option than ever before. Solo cruising is an extraordinary adventure that opens the door to self-discovery, new friendships, and unbounded freedom. By following these tips and choosing cruise lines that cater to solo travelers, you can make the most of your solo cruise experience. Whether you seek solitude or socialization, relaxation or adventure, solo cruising offers a world of possibilities. So, set sail, embrace the journey, and savor every moment as you explore the world on your own terms. Now that you know the facts about traveling as a solo cruiser, the only question left is, where will your next trip be? We made a video on bucket list cruises with the most desired destinations for cruise vacations. Click on this video to find your next vacation destination. Bon voyage!